What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a Wi-Fi smart camera. This is probably one of the most trendy cameras of this year. I wanted to get it just to check it out, you guys. I want to see how this thing works. And we are going to go ahead and get into it. I believe this is 1080. I don't even remember, but let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so they give you this pin. Look like a reset pin. You have the bulb. Now, I'm not sure if this is actually a light bulb per se, but we will see. Okay, so this is an outlet. Why is this like this? So right there, look like you have a little outlet. Maybe it's to charge it, which is interesting because it should be powered by electricity. Oh, you could use this indoors. That's why. Ah, smart. This is smart, you guys. This is very, 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 very smart. So they have the outlet here so you can use it indoors. Oh, the head turns. This is awesome. Now, it looked like the SIM card, or not SIM card, it looked like the SD card goes on the top. So let's see if we get an SD card with it. Don't roll, don't roll, don't roll. All right, you guys, so it don't look like we get an SD card with it, but we do have plenty of SD cards. Let me go ahead and hook this up, download the app so y'all can actually see like the quality of it at least. And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, well, not right now. 75% network connection. What do you need? 2. Oh, I think you could use 5G. That's good. All right, you guys. So I am going to leave this out back. I think the only thing with these is it's easy to steal, right? So you don't want to put this in your light in front yard, because if so, somebody could just take it off. It's kind of like pointless. It's not like having your Ring camera. Your Ring camera is like screwed on to the trim of your house and it's hard to get rid of. This is literally going into your light fixture. So anybody could basically take. What we're going to do is we're going to put it on the back light right here. And yeah, we'll use it as a, camera for the deck. And that will be it. All right, you guys. So now the camera is live. I am aiming straight down just to show you that this camera could aim all the way down. And I am coming back up. Pretty soon it's going to switch to HD because I didn't know the camera was in standard mode. So now we in HD mode and I'm looking right. And then I will look back left. It's a little laggy. If you try to step out, you'll notice, if you look at your screen at the same time, you notice that when you walk out in real time, it's a little bit of lag. But that's with most cameras. Even the Ring has some type of delay or lag time. So that's it. Just wanted to show y'all the camera, and I'm going to get to y'all with my final thoughts. That will be it. All right, everyone. So we are here at the final sit down with these bulb camera lights. All right. Now, I am here to do both final reviews on these things. I will put both of these on each product review just so y'all can see the comparison at the end of this review. So with that being said, let me go ahead and do this real quick for y'all. And I just wanted to let y'all know that these are some good Christmas gifts to give to somebody, you guys. So think about that. All right, Christmas is coming up, and if you know somebody that needs a little bit more security at their home, something a little bit cheaper. I know Ring is starting to come down on their prices a little bit, and Blink and all that, but with that being said, everything needs a subscription, you guys. Everything needs a subscription. Even with these, you need to pay if you want the data to be like on the cloud or something. So I think you have a certain amount of recordings that you can do on this. If so, then you will need to use their cloud if you want to have like backup for a certain amount of months or a lifetime backup or whatever it is. So y'all can dig into all of that. Me, I'm not into subscriptions. I have one ring subscription, all right, and that is for my driveway. I paid $3 a month for that. Um, I do have the doorbell, but I don't pay monthly for that one. So each ring that you have to pay $3 a month. So that's how Ring work. Just in case nobody knows how Ring doorbells and stuff work. Sorry, I went off a track, but here goes your different comparisons. So with this one, you have more flexibility. Of course, you know you can go all the way around, right? And then it goes all the way around here. All right. You go all the way around. And then the cool thing with this one is you see how you can look all the way straight down? It goes straight down to the floor. So let's say you have a stray cat at your door or something like that, then this thing will actually, see what's on the floor. And then you can speak into your mic and try to scare the cat off, like wow or whatever. However you try to scare a stray cat or whatever. So this can look on the floor, and the lights are very bright on this. That is the best thing about this one. So with this one, the bulb don't go all the way to the floor. You are limited. With this, you can go all the way around, just like that one. But once again, you cannot look straight, which is a bummer. It is. It's a bummer. Because I'm going to tell you why. If you want to use this in your home, most of your outlets is on the wall. As a matter of fact, all of them is on the wall. So with that being said, you plug in on the wall like this, and you can actually look straight ahead. So you can see everything in front with this camera. Now, if you plug this on the wall, that's all you can see. All right. That's all you can see. So this one will still work in the house if you put it on like a ceiling fan. If you have a ceiling fan, you could just screw it right on up, and then you can have it look in any direction you want. So keep that in mind. That is a big thing when it comes to these things, all right? And the reason why this one can't go all the way up and down is because it's like in this little hub right here. So the ball is here, right? And it's like gimbalized in this hub that it sits in. So it's really limited on its ability to go straight down. So if I have it forward, that's it. Instead of like this one, when you have it like this. And that's about it, you guys. I think for me personally, I like this one a little bit more, but I will be able to manage with this one. Like I said, you will have to put this on like a ceiling fan, or if you have a lamp or something like that you can put this, then you're good to go. And that's about it. I don't think I'm missing anything else. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. Both of the cameras was basically the same. They look the same to me. They both had like little delays on the camera, but most cameras have delays. Even the Ring is a little delayed. So I don't know if that's the internet or I don't know if that's the Ring. So I can't really complain too much about that. Even the top dogs be lagging a little bit. So with that being said, if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.